So when you're experiencing being broken down, it's time to shift or reframe. It's actually spiritual awakening ang nangyayari sa atin. We might also want to ask for help. If someone is out there really guiding me, I pray na give me a clue and help me have a better listening ear and a listening heart. One of the things I learned in Vedic astrology is following your nature would give you more happy life. So one example is pag ginawa ka as a pencil sharpener, it's gonna be your joy to sharpen pencil. And hindi masyado masaya yung buhay mo kapag ang use mo is ginagawa kang hammer. Medyo mabilis kang masisira kapag ganun. Maybe you're being broken down right now so that you'll see na yung ginagawa mo sa sarili mo na pag hammer, pencil sharpener ka naman talaga, is to realign you some sort. Now, be gentle with yourself. Sometimes, hindi natin naririnig agad because sometimes, mali din yung pagkarinig natin pero somehow, mas malapit. So, possibly, maging vegetable sharpener ka. Ang ginagawa mo, nag-grind ka ng mga carrots pero medyo mas mabilis ka masira pero hindi sing bilis ng pag ginawa kang martilyo. Maybe this time is a proper time in life telling you to, hey, quiet down and be still.